What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another video. Just gonna do a helmet review of the Shoei X14. Haven't done a video in a while, so I figured, why not? Haven't really known what to make a video on, nor had the motivation. Little update though, I put some frame sliders on here. I was gonna make a video on that, but I didn't think they were gonna fit based on looking at them, and then I just looked at it a little more and figured out I had to drill a hole in it, but I had to drill in a hole in the carbon, but whatever. I mean, it's already scratched anyways, so it is what it is. The way I see it, just preventing further scratches. We got some racing covers. Wasn't gonna make a video on that because they took me 5 seconds to install. But yeah, so X14, obviously. So out of the box, it kind of looks like this, obviously without the GoPro mount and mic, but got that nice sleek back design. I love those designs. X14, you got plenty of airflow, so you got these little flaps up here in the front, this big intake in the front top, and then this is 2 of them right here. I can see if I can put them. Those 2. I think I wore this in the last video I made, and it may have been a little windy because I was testing out for wind noise, and I think I accidentally left those open actually, so that might have been why. So I guess it'll be a second test in this video once we go ride with it. But overall, I like it. I went one size up from the last Shoei I had, the RF1400, because that one felt a little tight, and this one feels much better. It's like roomy but still snug, much more comfortable. Yeah, so I guess we'll get on and ride with it a little bit. About where my normal peripheral, you're not going to go for that. What are you doing? He's so far away. Like you had time. Okay. Whatever. Moving on. Yeah, like the helmet's end of sight kind of ends where my peripheral vision would end anyways, so it's not too bad. Open, honestly, it feels amazing. Feels super comfortable in like the top head area. One of my other helmets that I have that I use as my daily because it has my pack talk on it when I ride with people. The forehead kind of pushes a little bit. I don't know, it's just the shape of the helmet isn't the right shape for my head, but it kind of hurts for long trips. Yeah, I don't really know what else there is to talk about a helmet. So, I guess a little more updates on the bike. So, website is a lot easier to find parts for this bike on than I've found anywhere else. Oh, this road is really bumpy. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. Yeah, so I have a nice little list of things that I want to get from them already built up. I'm going to be going into deployment here in a couple months soon, so I'm not going to order them right yet. But I have some new rear sets that I'm looking at getting with GP shift and a tuning device that I was looking at friend tuning. They're like $800, but the one on MotoD that they have is $650, and honestly it looks like it might be a little bit better because it looks like it has a plug and comes with software to plug into the computer. And if you wanted to do your own tuning, you can. So there's that. What else did I put in there? Oh, the Spark titanium exhaust. That's something I really can't wait to get. It's a full titanium system. It looks amazing. It's like $2,400 though, but I'll be on deployment for a few months, so I'll have a bunch of money that I didn't spend, so that'll be nice. Yeah, so looking at getting that. The exhaust with the tune. I'm not going to get a full system exhaust without tuning it. And then the rear sets. And I'm thinking about getting a higher up, kind of like a double bubble. I don't really like the way the double bubbles look, where you can actually tell that it's like one bubble stacked on top of the other. But if I could find just like a kind of a single bubble that goes up a little bit higher, so I can actually like tuck into it. Because right now I tuck into it like that, and like the top of my head still kind of sticks out, and I don't feel like I'm really, like half of my head is above it. Oh, stop sign. What road am I on? We're gonna go right. So we got some things coming for the bike. Another thing I'll probably film is that I want to do for my truck when I get back, because I kind of like to do work on all things. Thinking about lowering the truck, one, just for, you know, because I can, and two, oh look at that, that's weird. I think it'll look kind of interesting. Never really seen a lowered Tundra before, so I'm gonna lower it and then eventually probably throw some power mods at it just for shits and gigs. But lowering it will be nice because then it'll be a lot easier to load the bike when I want to go to the track. Speaking of the track, I might be going to Roebling Road next weekend, so that'll be interesting. Never been there before. Yeah, dude, overall, I guess, great helmet. Honestly, I love Shoei. I'm a Shoei fanboy. Can't go wrong with a Shoei. I say that, but I haven't really tried many other helmets. I've tried some Icons and Built, and I tried the Rock one, if you've seen that video. haven't tried any of the AGVs or Rise, but I've heard good things about them. So yeah, great helmet if you're looking at it. It is pricey, it's about $800, but it's like their flagship helmet, so what do you expect? Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see some more of the upcoming stuff I just talked about, and I'll see you in the next one in probably a few months, because that's just how I post videos, you know. Bye.